Thank you, Ma'am Rida, for this wonderful opportunity to present a journal which we had chosen to talk about. We all know that LGBT community and the issue itself is still taboo in Indonesia. We chose this journal to broaden our perspective objectively toward the community and also inform a little bit of this toward the audience. So, the journal we chose is the existence of the lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender LGBT community in the perspective of a state based on Pancasila by I. Nyoman Sujana, Komang Arini, Setyawati, Animed Pasutari Ujanti. And that will be presented by one of my group member, Pirial Amani Koswara.
Okay, thank you Nadia. The journal discusses about the existence of a lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender community is a necessity. This study aims to understand Pancasila's view of the existence of lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender or LGBT communities in Indonesia against the noble values contained in Pancasila and what alternative solutions can be offered in order to prevent and mitigate the impact of LGBT communities in society. Based on the research that has been done using empirical law research method, it can be seen that the existence of this LGBT community does not conflict with the value of noble values of Pancasila. Based on the results and discussions in the journal, there are three things that can be concluded. First, the existence of the LGBT community in the Pancasila state is in fact inevitable, as this community is part of the citizens of the state who are not different from other citizens, having the same rights and obligations towards the nation and the state. Second, treating them discriminatively in terms of economy, law, and politics is in fact a violation towards human rights. Third, the alternative solution which can be undertaken to prevent negative implications from the activities of the LGBT community is through an increase in the understanding of norms of law and norms of religion. Only through the increase of awareness of life itself and the understanding of religious values that those within the LGBT community can avoid conducting acts and violate the law and religious norms. Okay, back to Nadia.
To end my presentation, I would like to quote a saying from Nelson Mandela. No one is born hating another person because of his skin or his background or his religion. People must learn to hate, and if they can learn to hate, they can be taught to love, for love comes natural to the human heart, then it is opposite. I am Putri Nadia Francisca Widaloka from group. Thank you so much for your attention.